Good afternoon, guys. This is Professor Sergio, and we're going to continue learning from home and in our English 2 lesson for today. Now, since in the previous video we learned about something really important, such as the setting of a story, we need to continue learning about the characters. What is important about the characters? Well, they respond to one question. Who? Who is in our story? Who is the principal subject, the person, the animal that appears in our story? So let's find out. Here, in this practice that I sent you, characters are basically who our story includes. They can go from, for example, President Alvarado, we can include him, to an evil Thanos from the Avengers. Or we can include a talking frog like Kermit, or a monster called Mike Wazowski from Monsters Inc. I think you know him, either from Monsters Inc., from videos, or from the memes. Now, who does our story include? Let's find out. So, in our story, we need to include what characters we have seen. The story. What is our story? Tales of a Fourth Grade Nothing. Okay? And I'm pretty sure that there are several. So we need to know who really are the ones appearing. There are several, so please, in this space that I'm giving you, list them all. How would you describe the characters you just included? That's a really important question. It's not only recognizing the characters, but also to recognize how they act. So, what I want you to do in this part is that I want you to write the name of the character along with the adjective that characterizes him or her and the reason why you think like that. Example. Let's think of Mike Wazowski from Monsters Inc. He is, let's remember, he's funny, he's humorous, he's brave, and he is creative. Okay? He was going to be about to be caught because he was hiding Boo, and he was running away from the evil people with Sullivan. So he invented a joke, like a song. Put that thing back where it came from. Okay. So throughout the movie, we see that he is really funny. He's always making jokes. He's humorous, brave, creative. So what I want you to do right here is to include 4 characters and not only name the character, but the name of the character, but also include some adjectives and the reasons why you consider that the character is like that. Okay? For example, I think of Darth Vader from Star Wars. Okay? He is an evil character. He's an evilish character. Or he is a really intelligent character, but really bad at the same time. So I quote the parts that he mentions because he wants to become the most powerful being in the galaxy, or that Thanos wants to be the more powerful one, the most powerful one. And so I quote and I write why I think that. Profe, but I don't know what to write. That's why I included here in the next page a chart that can help you describe the characters that you are including. You think that a character is nice? Okay. Think the character is confident, is creative, alright? And if you think, he's nice, but he's more than nice, so you can include other words. Cheerful, kind, friendly. If you think he's not just mean, he's more than mean, he's evilish, he's impolite, he can be rude, he can be many things, alright? He's not just sad, he's depressed, he's down, he's gloomy. And you can include as many examples as you think of in regards to the characters, alright? I hope that is clear. And if not, at the end of the video and in the comments you can include questions or send them to me through Woodit. Alright? Now in the next one, let's continue with our next work. And it's reading worksheet number 3. Our worksheet refers to something really important that we need to consider when reading a story. What is it? The order of the story. Because we need to keep things in a sequence. So right here I put a drawing here. 6 drawings that represent the story. It's your job to number the events in order and write the events as they happened. From 1 to 6 here, and also write the story as it happened. We see a gingerbread man, we see a pig, we see an old lady who's making some cookies, we see a dog, and we see an old man. So what is the order of the story? What do you think is the order of the story? So please write it right here organized. In the next part, we see and we read right here 9 events happening in the book. Because we have read chapters from 1 to 3. What is the first event? What happens after that? So I want you to please number them from 1 to 9. 1 being the first event that happens, and 9 being the last one. Alright? So what happens first in the book? 1. And what happens last in the book? 9. Right? And in the last one, the last drawing that we see, because the other page is blank, so you don't have to do anything there. In the part 3, make 4 drawings to establish a sequence from the book, like the one in part 1. Okay, so grab 4 events that happen in the book and draw them and describe what happens in them. Alright? You can use some of these examples or other anecdotes from the book that you consider, but put them in order. Right here. And list them and also include drawings. Alright? So I hope that's clear for now. And in case you have questions, you can send them through the comments, through a message on with it, or through my personal mail, profe.sergio@iem.ed.cr. And don't forget to subscribe. Hit like if you really liked it, and we see each other in the next video. So bye guys, and I hope you enjoy your week.